I just want to say a big thank you to those that actually participated in our sublimation competition. And again, that is for 10,000 Rand. Now for those that did participate and for every entry that you put in, you'll receive some credit in your buythis.co.za store. From that, we need to actually see who won this competition. So we're going to get straight into counting and then we're going to see who won. So let's get to it. Thank you very much, Eunice. Okay, so you sure it's this one?
Yes, it's this one.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much, Eunice. Well, guys, it's pretty unanimous. I'm not surprised. It's number 8, it's this one, and it looks superb and it's printed so well. So all that's left is to find out who actually owns this canvas. So let's have a look. Alright, I know exactly who this is. Stand by because we're going to call them quickly and let them know the good news.
Hey, Ronnie.
Hi Jason, how you doing?
Very well yourself?
Good, thank you. Can't complain. I just wanted to call you and let you know some very good news that your canvas over there, this Trillitia, has won the canvas sublimation competition and you're the winner of 10,000 Rand cash. How do you say to that?
Oh, that's fantastic. We were very excited when we put that one together and we were hopeful.
Oh, that's good. I must say myself, when I first saw it, out of everything that was up here, I must say that one was probably the best looking.
Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, we appreciate it. We enjoy doing this kind of thing.
Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome to hear. No problem. We're going to hang up now and then we're going to send you the money that you deserve. And well done again for winning this competition.
Oh, thanks very much. We look forward to the next one.
No problem at all. You must have a good day.
Thanks, Roddy.
Cheers.
Keep on.
Bye.
Bye.
Well, there you go, guys. Our winner for our sublimation competition. And as you saw, he is oh so happy and excited for the next one as well. Now, it helps that you guys go ahead, like this video, also subscribe to the channel because it helps with doing these videos. And it helps with doing our future competitions, which we are so excited to do. And it really is nice if you guys do go ahead and participate because you could also win 10,000 Rand. Thank you again. We'll see you in the next one.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit AM.CO.za showrooms in Sunnyrock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more. AM.CO.za. Achievement matters.